What is up, guys? It's Pokaaron from Pokaaron.com. What do we have for you today? Well, it's the Orbeetle V Box. Comes with a Orbeetle V Jumbo card, a Orbeetle V promo card, and 4 packs. I'm not sure which they are at the moment. Obviously, these are the Vivid Voltage. This is a Darkness Ablaze, but I'm not sure what this pack is, so it always annoys me on websites when you see a product and it just says 4 Pokemon booster packs inside, because there's a bit of difference between getting a Evolutions pack or like a Rebel Clash. Oops, apologies. And yeah, on the back it doesn't help either. A foil promo card featuring Orbeetle V, a oversized card featuring Orbeetle V, 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and a code card to redeem the promo cards online. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, the 2 Vivid Voltage packs will be nice. The Darkness Ablaze obviously was a great set. Quite hard to find at the moment. I think they're sold out everywhere. Yeah. Let's open it up. It was a pain these to open. One of my earlier videos, I'm throwing the whole lot out everywhere, so there we go. There's the Orbeetle V promo card. It's in some protective plastic. There's the code card to redeem the Orbeetle V online. But yeah, there is a piece of plastic protecting it. I'm going to leave it in there for now and I'll sort it out later. The Orbeetle V Jumbo card. Very cool looking one. Seems to be cut quite well for once, so that's cool. It's a Burning Shadows pack. So, 2 Vivid Voltage, a Darkness Ablaze, and a Burning Shadows. We'll get into the oldest pack first, so we'll go straight into the Burning Shadows. And you look for that Charizard. The front. Grass Energy. Wishful Baton. Mountain Lion Colour. Wick. Krogunk. Togedemaru. Wimpod. Lowland Vulpix. Meowth. A Reverse Krogunk. Ooh! Naguzma Full Art. What a beautiful card. We've pulled your boy. Centering is a little bit off. We've got a white nick in that corner, but other than that, it looks really nice. Brilliant card. Leave him up there. Onto the Darkness Ablaze pack now. There is a code card for you guys. And obviously, if you want any extra code cards, as usual, just leave a comment below. I'll try and get some over to you. So we've accidentally seen this is a white code card, but is it just a holographic, or do we have something better? Lightning Energy. Dedenne. Vibrava. Corvusquire. Paris. Gothita. Skarmory. Cubchoo. Wimpod. A Reverse Yellhorn. Ooh, and a Mew V. I'm not sure, I think I have this card, but everyone loves a Mew card, so very good look so far. Cool. Keep that up there. onto the double Pikachu packs then. Four from the back. Psychic Energy. Kakuna. Moo Cheese. Sableye. Wooper. Kada. Whismur. Drillbur. Whaler. A reverse memory capsule. And an Orbeetle V from the Orbeetle V Box. So, that's interesting. I feel the need now to go and get the other Orbeetle V out of the box, so. So that was the one earlier that I was showing you. Getting the promotional box. And this is the one we've pulled of the set. You both have the same attacks, which is an alternate artwork. Basically just facing the opposite way, but yeah, we'll leave them in shot down here. On to the last pack. So far we've had better than hollow pull in every single pack. Is it going to be last pack magic, or is it going to be the opposite this time? I think we've had all our luck from the pack, so I'm surprised if it's a non-holographic hit. Steel Energy. Mightyena. Beauty. Stone Energy. Weedle. Beldum. Panthy. Duskull. Electrike. A reverse Mightyena. And Executor non-holographic. So, finally our luck ran out on the last pack, but some very solid pulls from, yeah, quite cheap and small box. So we had the promotional Orbeetle V on the front, obviously. Everyone gets that, so nothing special, but still really cool. The Orbeetle V from Vivid Voltage itself. A Mew V from the Darkness Ablaze. And a Guzma from the Burning Shadows. That's probably one of the best cards to pull, obviously apart from the Charizards, but yeah. Pretty awesome box for the price, and yeah. We have them up on the store, so please take a look on there. We're still working on the basket functionality, as I said in the other videos, but if you want to make a purchase, just give me a message, I'll try and set something up. So yeah, thanks again. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Pokaaron TCG. I'll put the links in the section down below, so yeah. Thanks again.